The REALWELD Trainer from Lincoln Electric is a highly effective welding training tool for school and industry settings. Merging actual welding with advanced motion tracking technology, REALWELD is ideal for use as a bridge to traditional welding training. Using REALWELD, your team can enhance student comprehension, reduce training time, and increase certification rates. At the same time, you can reduce program materials costs, including plate, electrode, and shielding gas. With an exclusive solution for a guided welding experience and immediate feedback right in the booth, REALWELD takes the student a long way on the journey to becoming a skilled welder. 5 technique parameters are instantly scored for review and student tracking. Reporting makes it easy to grade each student when the time comes. REALWELD creates an environment that mirrors the welding and teaching experience more closely than any other training system, including the use of audio coaching cues. It's like having a welding instructor in every booth. Use REALWELD for stick, MIG, and flux cord welding in a wide range of materials, thickness, joint type, positions, and weld lengths. And there's no need for fussy, repetitive calibration with every weld. Just set it, forget it, and let the learning begin. The system is loaded with a number of customizable welding procedure specifications, and the instructor can add many more. Instructors can access the system from anywhere to embed supplemental material like videos, student activities, assessments, and more. Tailor your program to put students on the path to numerous industry certifications. You can also work with local employers and provide proof that your students have mastered the welds they will perform on the job. Give your students a real chance for career success. Give them the real deal with the REALWELD Trainer.